Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome another time to D Dawn Kitchen. What we will be doing today, D Dawn will be doing Magnum punch. In Jamaica, they call it strong back. Magnum punch. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dawn upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, subscriber, follower, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's begin. 1 cup carnation milk, 1 Guinness stout. Guinness is good for you. 1 bottle of Magnum tonic wine. 1 tin of Supplygen, and my Supplygen, it have the stout in it. It have the dragon stout, so I don't have to use the dragon stout because this is a combination of Supplygen and the dragon stout. In case you're wondering what the dragon stout look like, it look like this. Dragon stout. And it's original Jamaican thing. See? Original Jamaican thing. Because we do what? The Jamaican Magnum punch. 1 cup of peanut, raw peanut. You saw them peanut are red? Original coming from Jamaica. 2 cup of oat, and this is a 1-minute Quaker oat. I have it soaking down in like a little hot water. Your honey for sweetening. Nutmeg. Pinch of nutmeg or quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Just add the flavor in it. And of course you need your sweet milk for sweetening. Your condensed milk for sweetening. So this is a ginger. I'm just gonna add a little ginger juice to it. So you grate your nutmeg and it's looking so beautiful. You just need like half teaspoon of the nutmeg. First thing we are going to do now, we're just gonna add our oat in. Yeah, it looking like this because, as I told you, I have it soaking. I'm gonna add the Guinness. Just going slowly with your Guinness. I'm just resting this because I don't want it to come up too much. We're gonna add our Magnum. Tonic wine. Let me add the peanut. So ensure that you rinse your peanut, guys. Rinse the peanut. I already rinsed it. So just add the peanut in. I'm gonna add the vanilla and the cinnamon powder. Supplygen with your stout. I want to add a little of the ginger juice. Shake, shake, shake. Just a little, like quarter teaspoon. I'm adding my carnation milk. For those of you guys who want to use sweet milk, you go ahead and you use the sweet milk. I'm adding a little honey That's what I'm using for sweetening, and I don't need too much honey because the cinnamon powder is sweet, the Magnum is sweet, and the stout is sweet. So I put my nutmeg powder in. Guys, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed, and today you feel like you want to subscribe, you want to support D-Dan Kitchen, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and share the video with family, friend, co-worker. When you leave a comment, like. It's free to like. There is no charge. So with the sweet milk, you're gonna cut the milk and you're gonna add the milk in now. Those of you who love sweet milk or want it to be sweeter, but I just use my carnation milk. A little right now. You see my jug is full, so I'm not gonna add any more of the carnation milk to that. So then we're just gonna place the lid on and we're gonna shake. Then see the peanut standing, and we're gonna place it on the NutriBullet. And remember, you don't have a NutriBullet, just use up your blender. Look at the quality of our Magnum punch. Look at this. So pretty and delicious, guys. You can smell it, you know. It smells so good. You can smell the natural peanut. You can smell the Magnum, the Guinness, the natural nutmeg. Quite thick and nice. Look at it. Look how slow it's coming from the spoon. And not too thick, you know. You don't want it too thick. So now we're just gonna pour some in a glass. Remember to like, share, subscribe with the notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dan upload a video. So beautiful people, this is our Magnum punch, aka strong back, and this is a Jamaican thing. That is why you see the man them have so much stamina and them strong, and then can do, and everybody always go crazy for them do it. Alright, them always drink up them Magnum punch with their what? Raw peanut. So this bottle, while I was there, they sell it for 500 Jamaican dollar. 500 Jamaican dollar. So when you can make your Magnum punch, just go ahead and make up some things. You don't have to have money buying all the time. Just buying when you can make your own. So beautiful family, I love you all. I thank you for watching. I thank you for your patience and your time, and thank you for your support, because without you I couldn't do it. Thank you all. Peace and love, my brother and my sister. I see you on the next one. I'm gonna dive in this glass of Magnum punch so I can get stronger and I can feel energized. So on the go, rise and shine with a Magnum punch, aka strong back.